Okay, so today I'm going to show you three basic things to do in Procreate. Number one, smudge. So let's say I do this, color drop, and then I go to another color, this one, just line it, do the same thing we did from the previous episode. There. Okay. Now we just fill it in with color drop. Done. Now you can see next to the pens, there's this finger. Press into it. Choose one. Okay. I'm gonna choose. I usually use soft brush. Now it would be good to use a size 40 or 41. There. And then look. Just by doing that, it looks smudged. If you could do it better than I did, which is kind of hard. There. Now that's good for smudge. Now I'm going to show you colors. Now let's go to colors. Normally it would just show disc, but there's way others. This you can just go like this. So let's say green, and then you can just choose whichever type of green in this circle in the middle. Now there's also history of what color you used last time. Okay, now there's also, now you can just use it. So let's say I want to use a color, but I just couldn't find it where. It could because it isn't in the outside. So here, you can't find brown because it isn't in the outside, but it might be here. You just need to go down. Done. And then there's classic, which is a lot the same, but it's like in a square. And to choose the main colors, it's down here. And then to choose where to go is over here, like this. And this is how high you want to go. If you want white. So it's kind of just like a remote controller here. There. Now there's also harmony. So it's a good way to choose colors. One color over here, it will show you the opposite of that color. Okay, let's try green. The opposite of green, bright green, is purple. So if they put together, it's pretty much white in the middle. Okay, now there's also value, which is like this. You choose the color, the main color. Okay, I'm just gonna go with blue. Now this one, you see how light it is, how dark the color is. Go with this one. Now this one is how, if you want it black, just put it over there. Like that. Just, you can adjust the colors using these. There. Now, last but not least, it's palettes. Palettes are like this, you would find, but I made some of my own. You can make it by just pressing add, but I'm not making any today. So if you want to use that one, press the 3 dots on the side, press set as default. Now if you can see the tick, then that means it has worked. And you go back to disk, it would show this. Yep. And there's a lot more. Cards are like this. It shows you what color it's called. So, for example, if I go here, okay, go to palettes, ask what color it is. It's dark magenta. Okay, this is dark magenta, cyan, orange, dark purple, red, dark red, light vibrant yellow green, dark cyan blue, green, purple, magenta, dark magenta, cyan blue, blue green, dark pink, magenta, dark brown, and dark magenta. There might be some repeats and they're not exactly the same, like that. I would use cards sometimes, and I could also use compact, which is this. Now, there is the arrow. The one on the edge of gallery, the one on the outside side of gallery, you press it, you can see this. Okay, so first it will be easy to draw a circle, okay? And do your lips. Done. Okay. Okay, so you press the arrow, So like this. Like that. So you can just move it around for warp. And there you can also do disort, like this. But do that, this, that, yep. And you can do uniform, which is not much. Just like that. Make it bigger. Freeform, kind of the same thing, but yeah. Okay. Now, this is just snapping, okay? Now you can do flip horizontal, like that. Flip vertical, just flip it around. Rotate 45. Oh, there. Fit to canvas, then make it like that. And billionaire, yeah, it's just like choice. And reset, I hope you guys know what that means. There. And we're done for today. Bye.